Hi guys, I'm Danielle and today I'm going to be unboxing my Amazon Prime wardrobe personal stylist box. That's a mouthful. So if you aren't familiar with Amazon Prime's wardrobe services, basically they have a ton of products on the Amazon website where you can have them sent to you for free to try on during a 7-day trial period. So during that 7 days, you get to try things on, see if you like the product, and then send them back if you don't. If you choose to keep the product, then they will charge you after those 7 days. And if you just neglect to return the product, they will still charge you after those 7 days. So that's how Amazon Prime Wardrobe works. But then Amazon Prime Wardrobe also has a personal styling option. Oh, it's just so many words. And that is an option similar to things like Stitch Fix, if you're familiar with that, where basically you create a profile of the types of clothing styles, pieces, etc. that you want based off of your lifestyle or your just fashion preferences in general. And then a personal stylist from the Amazon team puts together a curated collection of pieces for you that you get to pick and choose from to have sent to you, and then it's the same process. You get a 7-day trial period, send them back, etc. So I did the personal styling services, and you can check out more in my blog linked below, but I'm just going to be unboxing, showing the pieces, and then doing a quick little try on for you guys, and good to go. Okay, here's my box. It's a big guy. Let's open it up. Okay, I'll be honest, I don't even really remember what I ordered, so this should be fun. When you open the box, you get this little pamphlet from Prime Wardrobe, Try Before You Buy, and inside it just has general directions on how the program works, when to send things back, and then it also includes the return labels, which is super helpful. It's already all attached. It also has all the items you ordered with all the prices, but I will just show you guys all that on the screen as I'm showing the items. All right, so everything comes packaged in sealed. Oh my gosh, this is like a thing of jerky. Why is it vacuum sealed? As you can see, everything comes packaged. I did get some shoes in here, so that box is there. So yeah, let's open it and see everything. So this is the first thing. It is a cardigan. It's got a hood, which is super fun. Oh gosh, I actually can like totally see myself just living in this, considering I work solely from home. So this is the Good Threads brand. I got a size medium, so I'll try this on and let you know. So here is the cardigan on. I just paired it with a crop top and jeans. You can see it has the little hood, which is kind of fun. It's super thin and lightweight. And it also does have pockets, but the pockets are kind of weird because they just like hang there. But overall, it's cute. It's really great for spring. I like it. Okay, now I'm doing the vacuum sealed one. I had to get scissors to open it. Oh, wow. This feels really nice. So this is just a little short sweater, wholly oversized. There's no tag. But the quality feels really sturdy. It's a very thick. I know it's like a slouchy kind of cropped sweater. I'm trying to see what size I got. There's literally, okay, I just got a medium. It doesn't have a brand or anything, but yeah, I'm excited to try this on. It's super wrinkly. So now that this is on, I do not like the material at all. It just feels really weird and cheap. Like, I don't even know what this material is, but the sizing actually didn't turn out to be bad at all. I think the wrinkles are really throwing me off. I should have just tossed it in the dryer for a few minutes, but yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would keep this one. All right, the next thing is just a pair of green leggings. That's the butt. Here you go. Again, the fabric quality feels really good. These almost feel more like, you know, like those like leggings that are supposed to look like dress pants, that's kind of what these feel like. Like they feel really thick and sturdy, and like if I paired them with the right top, like no one would even know that they're leggings. But yeah, that's it. No pockets or anything. These are a size medium and the brand is Icy Zone. I don't know.
Alright, so here are the leggings. They are so thick, you guys. Like, I am sucked into these things, almost to the point where it might be a little bit uncomfortable. They definitely look more like workout leggings once they're on, and the height or the length is really good. I'm about 5'8", so they accommodate my height really, really well. Overall though, they're pretty comfy, just a little snug.
Alright, this next item is just a super basic because I love just basics. It's like a little cropped t-shirt. That's all it is. It kind of feels like linen. It's the Monroe brand, size medium.
So this little linen tee is super cute. I really like how just casual and comfortable it is. The length is super fun and it's just nice and lightweight. I think it'll be really great for spring, summer. And yeah, not much to say about it.
Okay, remember how I was just talking about leggings that feel like dress pants? Holy moly, that is these 100%. These, oh, they have pockets in the back, nice. So these are just some really nice like legging slacks. I don't know if that's an actual thing, a legging slack. These are faux pockets in the front, if you can see that detail. They feel super comfy. Again, the material feels really thick and sturdy and nice. These are from The Drop in a size medium.
All right, so here they are on, and I really like them. Like, they are great compression without being uncomfortable. The length is great. Again, I'm about 5'8", and I feel like these are a great mock dress pant. I really like these ones a lot.
All right, the last thing that I got was some shoes, and these are from the brand Find. Oh, they're so cute. I forgot how cute they are. So these are the booties. Nice little camel color. Oh yeah. Those are nice. Those are nice. I'm real excited to try those on. And I ordered a size 9, I think, which is like my normal shoe size. I don't know. It doesn't say on the box, but I'm pretty sure I ordered a size 9, which is pretty much what I universally wear in booties. So we'll see if they fit.
Okay, it was hard to get a good angle to show you guys of the boots, but I love them. They fit perfectly true to size, and they're just so freaking cute. Like, how adorable, especially with like the crop pants.
So that is everything from Amazon Prime Wardrobe's personal styling services. Honestly, it's such a cool way to find new pieces and new items. But like I said, you can also just go through the Prime Wardrobe process and not have like a middleman in there where you just get to pick everything yourself, which is probably the route I'll go next time. But the personal styling services are only $4.99, so the commitment is super low if you at least want to try it once or twice. So yeah, let me know your thoughts below and I'll talk to you guys later.